Okay, so now how do we secure just one library? So sometimes it happens we have a library and we want to make sure it's only accessible by some people. So I have a top site here called Europe. I have some subsites, but the library could also be anywhere. So I'm going to pick the one in Italy. And within Italy, I have documents, but I also have, oh, look at that. I have management only documents, which is obviously a library I created earlier. So within my libraries, I have this one. So management only documents, I want to secure it. So I could enter the library, or I could go to the little drop down and then settings, because I'm going to change the setting to this library. So here I'm in the library and I go to library settings. And all we really care is to go inside, oops, sorry, here we go, to go inside permission for this library. So we're going to change the permission only to the library. And again, in SharePoint, everything is done with permission is done with inheritance. So this library is inheriting from the parent, which is the site. So I'm going to stop the inheritance. So what it's going to do is to copy everything. Here we go. So it's giving me a copy of all the groups and it's telling me, well, basically, do you want to keep it or do you want to create new ones? So the first thing I might do is to remove people I don't want. So this library, I said, is very specific, right? It's only for some people. So maybe I want the owner to still have access, but all the rest, it's the other way, all the rest I will select and delete. So I'm going to remove user permission. And that's it. Only the dev owners will have access to my library. But of course, in this case, I'm saying as well that it's specific to maybe, I'm going to select this one, to this manager. So I want this management to be able to only see the library. So I'm not going to send an email. I'll keep it as edit, share. This is a funny one because this one you have to refresh. And here we go, now it's been added to it. So my library now, management only, is only accessible by a very restricted number of people. So it's not super easy to see. So what I like to do now sometimes is maybe to change the name, and I would just add a little symbol so that it's very clear. So maybe here we would say management only. Click OK and OK again. So in my list in the quick launch here, then it's a bit more visible which library we have access or not. Okay, so this is all about permission and specific permission for a library.